Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll be diving into the key differences between an LLC and an S corporation to help you decide which is the best choice for your business. We'll cover the benefits, drawbacks, and how each structure impacts your taxes and business operations. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process of forming your LLC, skip ahead to the end of the video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into the comparison. So now, what's the difference? LLC or limited liability company and an S corporation are both great options for small business owners, but they serve different purposes. An LLC is a flexible business structure that offers liability protection and allows profits to pass through directly to the owners without being subject to corporate taxes. It's ideal for those looking for simplicity in management and filing taxes. And now, S Corporation, on the other hand, is not a business entity, but a tax designation that an LLC or corporation can elect. It allows business owners to save on self-employment taxes. While it offers liability protection such as an LLC, it has stricter requirements, such as limits on the number of shareholders and the type of shareholders allowed. And now, let's discuss which is better for taxes. The biggest factor when choosing an LLC and S Corp is how they are taxed. For the LLC taxation, by default, a single-member LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship, and a multi-member LLC is taxed as a partnership. This means all profits are subject to self-employment tax, which can be as high as 15.3%. And now for the S corporation tax. With an S Corp, owners can pay themselves a reasonable salary and take additional profits as dividends, which are not subject to self-employment tax. This can lead to significant tax savings. Quick tip: if you are looking to minimize your self-employment taxes, converting your LLC to an S Corp might be the way to go. There are a few rules to keep in mind if you are considering an S Corp. Number one is that you must be a U.S. citizen or resident. Number two, you can't have more than 100 shareholders. Number three, only individuals, certain trusts, and estates can be shareholders. Number four, you can only issue one class of stock. If your business meets this criteria, an S Corp could provide significant tax advantages. Remember, if this seems complicated, Northwest Registered Agent offers LLC or S Corp formation services for just $39, making it easy to get started without the hassle. Now, you must know when to stick with an LLC. For businesses with rental properties or passive investments, sticking with the default LLC structure is usually the best. Here's why. Number one, no real estate restrictions. S Corps can complicate real estate transactions due to the potential tax liabilities. Number two, flexible tax deductions. LLCs can take advantage of real estate tax benefits like Section 754 election, which steps up the tax basis. If your business focuses on real estate or other passive income, avoiding the S Corp election might be more beneficial. Now, here's how to make the S Corp election. If you've decided that the S Corp is right for you, here's how to make the switch. Number one, file Form 2553 with the IRS to elect S Corp status for your LLC or corporation. Number two, consult a CPA to ensure compliance and make sure this election is the best fit for your business needs. Remember, setting up payroll and managing distributions can be quite tricky, so it's crucial to get professional advice to avoid costly mistakes. So, which is better for your business, an LLC or an S Corp? It really depends on your business type, income, and tax planning needs. An LLC can provide you flexibility and simplicity, while an S Corp can provide significant tax savings if you are eligible. If you want someone else to handle this for you, consider using Northwest Registered Agent. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description below to take advantage of Northwest Registered Agent's $39 formation service. It's an affordable way to set up your LLC or make the S Corp election without all the hassle. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.